funny times we're living in right now when we have to do hands-free grads. But photo booths, it can be done. Our team members can come out and they can man the photo booth so no one actually has to do touching. We eliminate the props, or you can rent one of our booths for $145 and up and just have someone delegate the booth and keep everything sanitary from cross-contamination. Gig log 06202020. We are traveling through Earth and the skies seem great. The germs have subsided and the population is starting to come out and flourish. That means it's time for photo booths. What's up, guys? It's Lee here, bartending, photo boothing, rental guy. Sorry about the crazy hair. Crazy hair, don't care, kind of care, I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm on my way to work a photo booth. This is fantastic. This is exactly what I've been waiting for because I need an angle to market my photo booth for the whole COVID situation. So I brought my mask, I brought disinfectant, I'm setting the photo booth up outside at a pool party. I brought a backup tent just in case. Not actually that tent. So I plan to make videos so that I can get in the pocket of all those people who still want a photo booth, but they want reassurance that we're going to be doing it safe. So I'm going to take videos of myself sanitizing, and I'll be the only one touching the booth, and it's going to be awesome. So I should probably show you all my stuff here. So I way overpacked. I tend to do that on gigs, especially when I don't got so much going on. This is the first time I've been out in months at a gig that isn't like rentals. So I actually brought 2 photo booths just in case something's wrong with one. And I brought a tent just in case there's some weather, because normally we don't do photo booths outside, or we don't even allow them outside, but I'll be watching over it, so I need a tent. So I brought a light duty tent and some weights and some walls. I'm going to interject right now and just let you know the photo booth was a grad for younger kids, like grade 8 students. And I didn't want to put them in the video, a bunch of kids in their bikinis and bathing suits. So I coaxed some of the moms to come in and be in part of the video. Yeah, you can do whatever you want.
Should we pretend we're doing a TikTok? Okay. So now what?
No, you just go through the booth.
Oh, we gotta look here. Okay, look here. Oh. Look here.
Yeah, don't even worry about the camera.
Oh, we don't have to look at the camera.
No, just take some pictures.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna push the button. It's gonna take 3 photos. Okay. So what?
Okay. Don't you want your wine?
What you?
No, you can't have wine. Oh.
You can have one.
Come on. Okay. No, we don't want to say.
Okay, so what you see in the photos is what's gonna pop up. It's gonna take 3 photos. Okay, so let's pick your favorite. Oh, let's go back in. Right there. Let's pick your favorite photo.
Middle one.
The middle one? Which one?
Yes. Oh yeah,
that
definitely.
One? Okay.
Yeah.
And I'll just text it to you. What's your phone number? 555-5555. So that's it. Photo booths are still happening, so keep advertising, be safe, and you stay classy.